Hi guys, welcome back to Golden Reviewer. So today I received the delivery of this Lenovo Legion Phone 2 Pro, and let's do a quick unboxing of this device. It's a pretty large box as compared to your normal small, nowadays very thin so-called environmental friendly packaging. So this packaging is quite big. It's also pretty thick, and let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, so first thing we see is the device itself. Looks very exotic, right? We'll put the device aside first and check out the box content. Stylish outside, stylish inside. Alright, okay, whatever. And this is a small cardboard box here. I suppose there should be a protector inside. Oh yeah, protector. We'll check it out later. And your headphone jack converter, SIM ejection pin, and we don't need all this. I'll leave it inside. And I suppose this should be the charger and the cable. It's large and heavy. Okay. One cable is a Type-C to Type-C cable. And another cable. You'll see why there are two cables included in this packaging soon. And for the power brick, this is the power brick. Let's see. It says it didn't say the power, right? But anyway, there are two ports on the charger as well. And now let's take a look at the device. The device is actually very thick and heavy. And there is a small fan here. I heard that there is another hidden fan inside which you cannot see. So this phone actually has two fans. Okay, and then you have one charging port here, which I think is good when you play the game like this. And then there is another charging port here, just at the bottom of the device, like your usual phones. And I heard that this device is actually able to charge from both of these ports at the same time. And that's why you have two USB cables and two ports on the power brick. So if you plug in one cable to one port, it's 45 watts. And if you plug in both, it's 90 watts. How interesting is that? Okay, now let's turn on the device. And we can put on the case. It's a hard plastic case, which actually feels pretty nice in hand. It's quite thin, but I think that's just because the device itself is already very thick, so you cannot really afford to have another thick case. Okay, and there is actually light here. It lights up. Okay guys, so now we've set the device up. As you can see here, the top spec model is out of stock, so I had to get the medium specs one. And this is 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of ROM, and with Snapdragon 888 processor. Okay, and as you can see here, 90 watt supercharger and 5,500 milliampere hours of battery, and that is huge. Okay, so that's all for this quick unboxing. more tests will follow. Please stay tuned to the channel and don't miss any future tests. Okay, see you next time.